Hi, my name is Jennifer Tucker. I'm with Adams County Extension, where I'm the small acreage specialist. Today I'm here to speak with you about pasture management strategies. How to manage your pasture in a way that you get the most grass and most grazing ability for the amount of land that you have. Strategy number one is to designate a sacrifice area. This is an area that, for the most part, is going to be free of grass and is going to provide housing, water, and feeding facilities. That way your animals, when the grass grows, have the opportunity to go out to pasture, but for the time being, they're protecting the pasture by staying off of it. In the spring, when your animals are really ready to get out and get into that nice green lush grass that's been growing, that's when we really need to take some time and evaluate. We want to wait until that grass is at least 6 inches tall, and that's because that's going to allow that plant to have enough reserves to handle grazing. Probably the most important aspect of pasture management is walking out and checking your pastures. This means you actually get out in the field, walk all 4 corners of your pasture and the areas in between. This is to make sure that the grass is grazed evenly. The animals all have ideal species that they prefer to graze. One of the more important aspects of pasture management is rotational grazing. Rotational grazing is using small paddocks, cells, or small pastures to utilize intensive grazing over a short period of time. Strategies we can use with rotational grazing is the use of temporary or electric fencing. That can subdivide our pastures into small cells. This is about a 2.5 acre pasture, and these animals are intensively grazed and then moved on to another small cell. Another important aspect of pasture management is the reduction of soil compaction. The best way we can do that is keeping our animals off of the grass when it's wet. The result of all of these strategies will be a greener, healthier, and more productive pasture for both you and your animals.